Most people think you need $1 million or 10 rental properties to quit their job in 2026. They believe that the only way out of their 9 to 5 is building a huge rental portfolio first. Rental after rental, property after property. But that belief is exactly what keeps people stuck from making the move and taking action. I've watched new investors spend months chasing down payments trying to get their money ready. Then they hunt for the perfect flip. Then they analyze deals endlessly and they wait for that passive income to magically appear. And it never does. They stay stuck in the same job because they start the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 real estate trends heading into 2026 that can actually help someone replace their 9 to 5 paycheck without taking massive financial risks. We'll talk about why control beats ownership, how to calculate exactly what it takes to replace your income, and why flexibility might be the most powerful advantage in today's uncertain market. My name is Nathan Payne, and I've done hundreds of deals nationwide. My business has done millions of dollars wholesaling real estate, and I've helped hundreds of wholesalers get started and close their first or next deal for 5, 6, 7 figures, and helped hundreds of wholesalers get started and close 5 and 6-figure deals. Now, control is becoming more valuable than ownership. Most people trying to quit their 9 to 5 in 2026 think they need massive capital, and you don't. They think you need rental properties, and you don't, or a big flip or passive income immediately. They believe replacing their income requires ownership first, but it doesn't, and that's exactly where they're getting stuck. I see it happen all the time with new investors. They try to build rental portfolios right out the gate, and that's dangerous. They scrap together down payments and they wait for the perfect deal. They analyze properties for months, sometimes even years, and they still haven't made a single dollar. The reason is simple. They believe income replacement starts with ownership. But one of the biggest shifts happening right now in real estate is that control is becoming more valuable than ownership, which I know sounds crazy. But with wholesaling, you control the property without buying it, and that keeps you safe. And you don't need to take on massive debt. You don't need to take on a 30-year mortgage. You generate active cash first. Then you learn the market. You learn the market, you gain real deal experience, and you know what a real deal actually looks like, and you build confidence. Before you replace your income, you need these 3 things. You need cash flow, experience, and confidence. Not long-term debt holding you down. If you're tired of waiting for the perfect deal and want to start controlling deals instead, click the link below and I'll show you exactly how we help people do this. But that leads to the next question most people get wrong. How much money do you actually need to replace your paycheck? Replacing your income is a lot simpler than everyone thinks. Most people dramatically overestimate what it takes to quit their job. I need 10 rentals. I need $1 million in assets. I need passive income first before I quit. So they sit, they plan, they analyze, they wait. They try to build an empire before they replace their paycheck. And I've seen it. I've seen many people get stuck in this analysis paralysis for years. They want everything to be perfect, but it's never going to be perfect. And they want that safety, and they want guarantees. But momentum never starts because they're trying to solve the wrong problem first. Replacing your paycheck is not about building wealth first. That's going to take years. It's about matching your monthly burn rate. That's it. Income replacement is math. It's not motivation. If someone earns $5,000 per month at their job, that could be 1 solid wholesale deal or 2 smaller deals. That alone could replace their paycheck. Wholesale real estate creates shorter income cycles. You get faster feedback loops and far less long-term liability. You replace your income first, then you build the assets. Most people try to reverse that, and honestly, that's why they're stuck. But some people still hesitate because they think in 2026, it's going to be a lot riskier. They hear about AI, they hear about interest rates, they hear about the economic uncertainty, and they freeze, they're frozen. Now, flexibility is the ultimate advantage in 2026, and I'll tell you why. Many people believe that uncertainty is dangerous, but uncertainty actually favors adaptable business models like wholesaling, which is super adaptable. I've watched tons of investors lock themselves into big flips, heavy rehabs, large projects, high leverage deals. Then the market shifted. Suddenly their capital was stuck. Their carrying costs started eating their profits, and they couldn't pivot. They were committed to the deals no matter what. That's when the lesson became obvious. Flexibility became more valuable than scale. In uncertain markets, liquidity matters more than long-term bets. You are not betting on appreciation. You're solving immediate seller problems now and getting paid for it. That creates cash in your pocket right now in any market. Flexibility allows you to move in the market instead of being trapped by it. I've been trapped by flips, and I know it sucks. If you lock yourself into an expensive project, it reduces your options and what you can do. But when you control deals, you expand them. So what does it actually mean for someone trying to quit their job in 2026? Replacing your 9 to 5 paycheck in 2026 is not about hype. It's about control. It's about controlling the asset and flexibility. And you don't need massive capital to do that when you're wholesaling. You don't need to take on huge financial risks. You need systems that generate income and build skill at the same time. The people who win in the next few years will not necessarily be the loudest online. They will be the ones who are consistently solving problems. They're going to be the ones taking action, learning the business. And that's how you replace income. And that's how real freedom starts. Now, most people overcomplicate wholesaling, and I didn't. The exact strategy that's made me millions of dollars in my wholesaling business is actually really simple, but most people ignore it. Now, if you don't want to be one of them, watch this next video on the screen right now, and we'll see you on the next video.